Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make roll chutney. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a generous bunch of fresh mint and cilantro, along with a few green chilies for that perfect kick. Don't forget about 1/4 cup of roasted chana dal. It's key for achieving the right consistency. Also, have a small piece of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic ready to go. Now, let's get blending. Place all your prepared ingredients into a blender. Add just enough water to help the blades move, but be careful not to make it too thin. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and season with salt to your preference. Blend everything until you achieve a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, ensuring no large pieces remain. To elevate the flavor, we'll add a quick tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few fresh curry leaves. Let them splutter for a few seconds until fragrant. Carefully pour this hot, aromatic tempering directly over your blended chutney. This step truly brings out the depth of flavor. Your incredible roll chutney is now ready to enjoy. Serve it fresh with your favorite wraps, kebabs, or any snack that needs a burst of flavor. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.